friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back. If you're a returning subscriber, my name's Jonathan. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And today we are doing a small Louis Vuitton haul there for pocket organizers that were completely sold out for Father's Day. So let's get into it. So these pocket organizers got released in May of 2025. However, during that time period, I was completely off of the grid. I took time off of work. I didn't go on my family vacation. I just focused mainly on this exam that I was writing at the end of May. And so I didn't even think about anything Louis Vuitton related. I knew that there was things going to be released, obviously, naturally, but it was just not on the top of my mind. So naturally, once I had finished the exam, I went onto the Louis Vuitton website to see what I had missed, and I had seen that these pocket organizers were available, however, had been sold out completely before Father's Day had even come. So I messaged my sales associate and asked them if they had any back orders, if they could place any pre-orders and so on, and she said unfortunately she couldn't, but she would keep it on our list, so that way if it does come orderable, she'll go ahead and send me the links. Fast forward to September, and she says that they were all available for order, but they had like a lead time of like 5 months, which I thought was very crazy to wait for this. That would mean it would come in like February of 2026. So I was mentally thinking, do I really need these for my collection or not? She said that she could try to figure out how she can make the lead time shorter, and lo and behold, it was a week later and I have them all here. So let's go ahead and open them up together. So these are the 4 pocket organizers that I will be unboxing shortly. I just wanted to give a little bit more details. So these do retail for 630 Canadian dollars each. So they're just about $700 after sales tax. And some of these are still available in stock. So what I would suggest is if you're still looking for some of these pocket organizers from the Father's Day collection of this year, download the Louis Vuitton app and click on the Notify Me button. You'll definitely get notifications when these restock, and I would highly recommend checking out right away. Because you're doing it on the Louis Vuitton app, all of your information is safe, so that way you don't have to worry about adding in address or shipping details, so that way you're able to check out a little bit more quicker. But the Louis Vuitton app, I find, always gives more notifications a lot quicker than if you were to put your Notify Me on the website itself and then wait for that email to be sent. So definitely check out the app. I know currently, while I'm filming, one of these are actually add to cart with a lead time of 3 days. So definitely go check out the Louis Vuitton app or website if you're looking for these. Okay, box number 1. So I've already kind of given away what these are and from which collection, so I don't think there will be any surprises. But the first one that I got from this Father's Day collection is the skiing one, which is absolutely adorable. I haven't seen anybody post a full video with all of these. I hope this will help out others that are looking to possibly get something from this collection. I know there are new sports themes coming out, such as basketball and skateboarding in early October. So if you like these kind of designs, you'll probably love those ones as well. So this is pocket organizer number 1. Pocket organizer number 2. Any guesses as to what this one might be? It is the Blue Lagoon one, which is the swimming themed pocket organizer. I absolutely love this blue in person. It's like a more baby blue, but it's coming off a little bit darker in camera and on the website, but it is a little bit brighter in person. And here's what the inside looks like. Super cute. Pocket organizer number 3. And this one this one is probably one of my favorites. This is the tennis court ones. And I know that the Traveling Gay Panda unboxed his, so I obviously needed to get one, and I'm so happy that we have one. We're like twinsies now. Super cute. And this is what the inside looks like. All of mine are made in France, which for me, it doesn't really matter where they're made, to be honest with you. Okay, and on to the last one. And last but certainly not least, I'm sure you're all aware of which one this is going to be. This one is the golf themed one. So this is actually a lot more brighter green in person. I was pleasantly surprised. I thought it would be a little bit more darker like this green, but the front is like, I want to say like a neon green. It's not coming out like that on camera, but it is very vibrant. And here's what the full image looks like. And then this is what the interior looks like. Again, it is made in France. And all of these are made of coated canvas with vachetta leather. They all have the same tag if you were interested. But yeah, super cute. So happy I was able to add these into my collection. It was obviously just meant to be. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like this kind of content or want to see more of me, definitely hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help my channel grow and really helps motivate me to make more videos. So with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.